Morning students, today we are going to discuss few more topics in vectors, right? See here, condition for a line in a plane. What are the condition for line lies in a plane? Okay, so here, so you may have line equation in vector form and plane equation in vector form. Then what is the condition for line lies in a plane? And we may have line equation in Cartesian form. In that time, what is the condition that line lies in a plane? So in vector form, suppose I am taking if the line r bar equal to a bar plus tb bar lies in a plane, r bar dot n bar is equal to d. Then is what is the condition here? Then a bar dot n bar value should be equal to d and b bar dot n bar dot product should be 0. Why? Because this is the line and this is the plane. A line lies in a plane, and this line is passing through a bar position vector of the point and parallel to b bar vector. This is b bar vector. Okay, line passing through a bar vector and parallel to b bar vector. And plane, here this is the plane equation. N bar is normal vector to the plane. So n bar normal to the plane means it is automatically perpendicular to b bar. So b bar dot n bar equal to 0. Dot product 0 means they are perpendicular to each other. And a bar point position vector of the point. This point lies on the plane. So that's why in the plane equation in place of r bar we are substituting a bar. So it should satisfy the plane equation point. So a bar dot n bar equal to d. So this is the condition when line equation is in vector form. Now second one, if the line in Cartesian form, if the line equation x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c lies in the plane, ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is, what is the condition here? This point on the line is x1 y1 z1, same point lies on the plane. So you have to show ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d is equal to 0. By substituting that point in the plane you should get 0. Okay, and line drs are perpendicular to plane normal drs. So you should have, and one more condition, a into capital A, b into capital B plus c into capital C should be equal to 0. These are the conditions for line lies in a plane. Okay, right. Next, condition for coplanarity. Condition for coplanarity. In vector form. First one, in vector form, what is the condition? In vector form, condition of coplanarity in vector form. Two non-parallel lines. Two non-parallel lines, r bar equal to a bar plus t into b bar, r bar equal to c bar plus s into d bar. I am taking two non-parallel lines are coplanar. Coplanar means they are lying in same plane, right? These two lines are non-parallel but they are coplanar if the condition is that in vector form c bar minus a bar dot b bar cross d bar is equal to 0. If this dot product is 0, then we can say that these two non-parallel lines are coplanar in vector form. This is in vector form. Now in Cartesian form, Cartesian form. In Cartesian form, we are going to write condition for coplanar. Two lines. I am taking Cartesian form x minus x1 by b1, y minus y1 by b2, z minus z1 by b3. And the second line, x minus x2 by d1, y minus y2 by d2, z minus z1 by d3 are coplanar if the condition is x2 minus x1 b1 d1, y2 minus y1 b2 d2, z2 minus z1 b3 d3. Determinant should be equal to 0. If determinant is equal to 0, then these two lines are known as coplanar lines, right? These are conditions for coplanarity in vector form and in Cartesian form. Next, equation of plane containing two parallel non-parallel coplanar lines. Next, equation of plane containing equation of plane containing two equation of plane containing two non-parallel coplanar lines. What is the equation of plane containing two coplanar lines, non-parallel but coplanar lines? So in parametric form, what is the formula for equation of the plane containing two coplanar lines? Let first line I am taking as r bar equal to a bar plus t b bar. Second line I am taking a c bar plus s into d bar, or two non-parallel coplanar lines, non-parallel coplanar lines. Then equation of the plane. Then equation of plane containing these lines. R bar is equal to a bar plus t into b bar plus s into d bar, or you can write r bar equal to, in place of a bar you can take c bar also, c bar plus t into b bar plus s into d bar, which is parametric form of equation containing two non-parallel coplanar lines. First line is a bar plus d bar, second line is c bar plus s into d bar. So equation of plane you can take a bar t b bar plus s d bar, where t comma s are real parameters, real numbers. So here you can take a bar or c bar, no problem. Okay. Now non-parametric form. Second one, non-parametric form of plane equation. Non-parametric form. Non-parametric form of vector plane equation in vector form. So equation of plane containing the two lines r bar minus a bar dot b bar cross d bar. B bar cross d bar should be equal to 0, or in place of a bar you can take c bar also. B bar cross d bar is equal to 0. This is non-parametric form of plane equation containing two non-parallel coplanar lines. Next, Cartesian form. Third form is Cartesian form. So I am taking two lines in Cartesian form. One is x minus x1 by b1, y minus y1 by b2, z minus z1 by b3, and x minus x2 by d1, y minus y2 by d2, z minus z2 by d3 are two non-parallel coplanar lines. Then equation of plane. Equation of plane, you can take x minus x1 b1 d1, y minus y1 b2 d2, z minus z1 b3 d3 equal to 0, or you can take x minus x2 here, again b1 d1, y minus y2 b2 d2, z minus z2 b3 d3. Determinant should be equal to 0. You can use any one of the formula. Okay, you can use this or you can use this. Okay, both are the same formulas. In place of x minus x1, you can write x minus x2, y minus y2 also. Okay. Now example 1. Show that the lines, we have two lines in vector form, right? R bar equal to this line and R bar equal to another line, are coplanar. We are going to show that these two lines are coplanar. Also find the plane equation containing these two lines, right? So we have given two lines. We are going to show that these lines are coplanar. So solution, given lines are first line I am comparing with R bar equal to A bar plus S into B bar. Second line I am comparing with C bar plus T into D bar. So what you will get? A bar equal to minus I minus 3j minus 5k. This is A bar plus B bar. So B bar vector is 3i plus 5j plus 7k. From second line, C bar 2i plus 4j plus 6k, and D bar I plus 4j plus 7k. Now we are going to show that these two lines are coplanar. What is the condition for coplanarity? Condition for coplanarity. When lines are in vector form. What is the condition? C bar minus A bar dot B bar cross D bar should be equal to 0. If this dot product is 0, we can say that lines are coplanar. Now I am going to find B bar cross D bar, then after C bar cross A bar, then I will find the dot product. We have B bar cross D bar, so I am going to find B bar cross D bar. So B bar vector I, j, k, components of B bar 3, 5, 7. Components of D bar 1, 4, 7. Now I into 5 7s are 35 minus 7 4s are 28 minus j into 3 7s are 21 minus 7 plus k into 3 4s are 12 minus 5. Okay, right here 35 minus 28 7i, 21 minus 7 is 14 j, 12 minus 5 7k. This is B cross D bar, and I am finding C bar minus A bar vector. C bar minus A bar 2i minus I 3i, 4j minus 3j plus 7j, 6k minus 5k 11k. Right, this is C bar minus A bar. Now I am going to find dot product of these two vectors dot product. So B bar cross D bar dot C bar cross C bar minus A bar. So dot product means components product. 3 7s are 21, 7 14s are 7 4s are 28, 2 7 1s are 98, 7 11s are 77, 77 plus 21, 98 minus 98 is equal to 0. So we can conclude that lines are coplanar. We can conclude that given lines are coplanar. Why? Because dot product we got 0. Now we are going to find plane equation containing these coplanar lines. Now equation of plane in non-parametric form. Equation of plane in non-parametric form. Non-parametric form containing these two non-parallel coplanar vectors. What is the formula? R bar minus A bar dot B bar cross D bar is equal to 0. Here you can take C bar also, no problem. R bar minus A bar, or you can write R bar minus C bar dot B bar cross D bar. So I am substituting here R bar minus A bar vector. What is A bar vector? Minus I minus 3j minus 5k dot B bar cross D bar. What we got? B bar cross D bar 7i minus 14j plus 7k is equal to 0. Now I am going to find dot product. R bar dot this vector 7i minus 14j plus 7k minus dot product minus 1 into 7 minus 7 minus 3 into 14 plus 3 4 the 12 42 5 into 7 35 is equal to 0. So R bar dot 7i minus 14j plus 7k minus 7 minus 35 minus 42 plus 42 cancel, so is equal to 0 is the required plane equation. You can take 7 also common here. R bar dot, by taking 7 common, it will be I minus 2j plus 2k is equal to 0. Scalar you can send at right hand side. So required plane equation is R bar minus I 2j plus 2k is equal to 0 in non-parametric form. Okay. Right. Now exercise 6.8 first problem. Exercise 6.8 first problem. Show that the lines R bar is equal to 5i plus 7j minus 3k plus s into 4i plus 4j minus 5k and R bar is equal to 8i plus 4j plus 5k plus t into 7i plus j plus 3k are coplanar. You have to show these two lines are coplanar. Find the vector equation of the plane, which is find the vector equation of plane. In which these lines are like, they lie. So we have to show these two lines are coplanar lines, and we have to find the vector equation of the plane which containing these two lines. Okay, already we did homework problem, example problem. In the similar way we can show these two lines are coplanar. Then after we have to find the plane equation. Okay, right. So given lines. solution. Given lines are first line is r bar equal to, and second line is r bar equal to this one. So by comparing with the r bar equal to a bar plus sb bar, c bar plus td bar, you will get a bar vector which is 5i plus 7j minus 3k, and b bar is 4i plus 4j minus 5k. C bar is 8i plus 4j plus 5k. D bar is 7i plus j plus 3k. Condition for coplanarity. Condition for coplanarity. What is the condition? C bar minus a bar dot b bar cross d bar should be equal to 0. So I am going to find b bar cross d bar and c bar minus a bar. Now b bar cross d bar. B bar cross d bar. How to find b bar cross d bar? By taking the components of b bar and d bar. B bar components 4, 4, minus 5. D bar components 7, 1, 3. Now here I into 4 3s are 12, minus 5 becomes plus 5, minus j 4 3s are 12, minus 5 7s are 35 plus 35, plus k 4 minus 28, 17i, 12 plus 35 47, minus 47j, here minus 24k. Next C bar minus a bar. C bar minus a bar is 8i minus 5i 3i, 4j minus 7j minus 3j, 5k minus of minus 3k plus 8k. Now coplanarity. Check the coplanarity. What is the condition? C bar minus a bar dot b bar plus d bar value. 17 3s are 51, 17 3s are 51, minus 3 7s are 21, 2 carry, 3 4s are 12, 141, minus here minus 4, 28. So this is plus, minus into minus plus. Next 8 for the 32, 3 carry, 8 to the 16, 16 plus 3, 192. So 15, 51 plus 141, 192, 192 minus 192 becomes 0. So given lines are coplanar. Now we got given lines are coplanar. Now we have to find vector form of the plane equation containing these two coplanar lines. What is the vector equation? Equation of the plane containing these two coplanar lines. This is b bar cross d bar. Okay, this is b bar cross d bar. Now equation of plane containing these lines. Equation of plane containing these lines. What is the equation? R bar minus a bar dot b bar cross d bar is equal to 0. Already we have b bar cross d bar, so I am substituting in this. R bar minus a bar. A bar is 5i plus 7j minus 3k. So R bar minus a bar dot b bar cross d bar, 17i minus 47j minus 24k is equal to 0. Now by simplifying this, you will get R bar dot 17i minus 47j minus 24k minus 5 17s are 5 7s are 35, 5 7s are 35, 5 1s are 85. Okay, 7 47 the 7 7 the 49, 4 carries, 7 4 the 28, 30, 329. Next 3 24 the minus into minus plus, 3 4 the 12, 1 carry, 3 2 the 6 7 72 is equal to 0. R bar dot 79 minus 47j minus 24k minus 85 plus 72, 85 plus 72, 7 8 7 15, 157, 157 minus 329, 329 157, 2 12 minus 5 7, 2 minus 1 1 172. So this is 172. R bar dot 79 minus 47j minus 24k minus 172 is equal to 0. So what is the answer? R bar dot 79 minus 47j minus 24k is equal to minus 172 is the required equation of the plane containing two non-parallel coplanar lines. Okay, in the similar manner you can solve remaining problems in exercise. Okay, thank you.